Hello everyone, my name is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Send and Profit by Shan Din. Send and Profit is a training module that teaches you how to build an ethical online business using email system. Yes, this is what Shan has said today, that he will teach you how you can pretty much start your own online business by using the simple email system. Yes, so if this sounds like something you like, guys, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a demo of how this works. But don't forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual, guys, I shall be adding some of my bonuses today once you grab through my link that is also in the description box below. Once you click on that link, it brings you to this page. This is my bonus page, guys, and you will have those 5 awesome bonuses automatically added. Yes, and I'm promising you that you have access provided you're grabbing your copy within this time frame. Now, guys, let me quickly take you to the sales page. Let's see what Shan is saying today about this app. So he says, let me read it. How to build an ethical online business using nothing but simple email system without ever creating products, running ads, or even doing customer service. These are the features of this platform. So number one of it is opportunities are all around you. Send and Profit simple email business module. Perfect for beginners, works for any type of business. Step-by-step video instructions, set and forget business model, $1 million support. Yes, what I just read now are the features of this product. Let me quickly take you to the steps that you need to deploy to get this up and running. So the first step is you build a list smart way. Use simple methods to build your hyperactive list. And then the second one is that you use the you become the autoresponder champion. And then the third one, of course, rinse and repeat for automated commission and sales. So guys, I have shown you the 3 steps that you need to deploy to get it up and running. Let me take you to the bonuses that he has added. The bonuses, he actually added 5 of these, 4 of these bonuses, guys. So, and they are fast action bonuses. So the first one is the irresistible offer video guide, how to find high converting offers. The second one is the step-by-step checklist to make sure that you implement the system in the right order. The third bonus is join his exclusive Facebook community group. You learn the tricks and exclusive opportunities that will be shared in the community. And then the fourth one is the special bonus, and that one is about the consistently adding the new feature in the program. You suggest me on bi-weekly basis, like, Shan, can you please add this feature, and I will add your requested feature inside the member area. How cool is that? Yeah, it says it's priceless. Okay, speaking of bonuses, guys, let me quickly take you to mine and show you the bonuses that I've added. So the first bonus that I've added today is a 0-hour work day. So basically you lazy around, stay, chill somewhere and then earn your money. And then the second one is the list building on steroids. So once you have actually built your list, so with this training, it teaches you how you can put your lists on steroids to accelerate it. And then the third bonus is the lazy profit explosion. The fourth bonus is how to build a buyer's list. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. Remember, guys, I told you that once you grab within this time frame, all those bonuses shall automatically be added. Yes, I'm assuring you that. But once this timer runs out to 00, guys, is no longer an assurance that you have all the bonuses that I've mentioned today added to the copy that you bought. But remember, if you are buying through Warrior Plus, all you need to do is to click on the blue button where it says Success Affiliate Bonus. All these bonuses shall automatically be added. If it's through JVZoo, where the red arrow is pointed at, guys, click on that box right there, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Yes. And then let me quickly take you guys to the prices and then the upsells. So with just the front end, which is $7.95, of course you have access to this software and training modules. And then the upsell one, which is the email automation, is $27. So it shows you how to get the best possible result. So 10 times your result with their ultimate email automation. And then the upsell two, which is the traffic mastery, is $47. The easiest way to rapidly boost your income. Yes, and then the third upsell, which is the success mastery, 1 month of premium coaching, which is $297. So you're building an online business. It says building an online business is hard. What if I hold your hand and show you exactly how to make money online? And then the fourth upsell is the multiple license right, which is $27. So that one is how you would like. It says, how would you like to have multiple license rights for 3 of the best-selling products? So basically you have access to 3 of their products to sell and make your commissions throughout the funnel. Yes, guys, so these are some of the benefits that I've already mentioned to you from the sales page. And now let me take you guys to the members area, because we have already seen the sales page, we have seen the bonuses, and then the prices and the upsells. So let's see what the members area looks like. So this is the members area, guys. So this is Shan Din right here, the guy that put this together. And let's take a listen quickly to what he has to say.
Guys, Sean here. First of all, thank you so much for picking up the copy of Send and Profit. You guys are absolutely going to be blown away with the course. It is really going to help you start crafting a profitable email to make money online, guys. There is no need to complicate the process. You guys are really on a treat for today. Okay. All right. So having said that, I just in this quick introduction video, I just wanted to state a couple of things. First of all, here in this welcome page, if you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great, because I'm putting helpful contents on a regular basis. So if you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, you guys are going to get the notification each and every time I put up a new video. You guys are absolutely going to love this YouTube channel, guys. Okay, second, this is the whole training. I want you to watch the whole training, and after watching until that part, email automation, after watching until that part, these 2 parts I want you to really pay attention. I want you to pay attention to the whole training, but these 2 parts are very important, because these 2 parts, these 2 emails, video tutorials, are tied up with all the rest of the training. So don't skip around, please. This is my humble request. MailChimp Crash Course Part 1, I want you to watch that whole training, and then basically if we come down after the test the automation, perfect subject line formula, that how to find or how to write a perfect subject line for your email so you can get most people will open your email, and then how to retain those people to write a perfect email so you can start making sale with this. So do not skip any of the training videos, guys. This is my humble request. Second, take advantage of this extra bonus I have added for you guys. If you have a sales page and landing page builder, that's fine. But if you don't have it, this is a $67 plugin, Thrive Architect. But if you click on this link, you can ethically grab it in just $5, guys. Okay, in $5, you will be able to craft a landing page, sales page, thank you page, all this good stuff professionally by using Thrive Architect, guys, in just $5, guys. Okay, then take advantage of my $1,000,000 support. If you guys have any question, just send me an email and I will get back to you guys with comprehensive video answer if needed. If it needed a text answer, I will write a text email. If you need a video answer where I can show you to answer your question step by step, I will even create a video for you guys to answer and to help you guys out. And then take advantage of my all bonuses. Offer video guide, how to find high converting offers that convert. I want you to watch that video so you will know how easy it is to find the high converting offers that you can send to your email list and make money with. Then make sure you click right here in step-by-step checklist. Make sure to follow through this checklist to get the most out of this course. And the bonus 3, and join my exclusive.
So guys, basically he's explaining of that you can see right here on the members area. So there isn't much. These are the training modules right here. So pretty much you have say let's see how many. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 modules, guys, that he has uploaded, and he's advising not to skip any of those trainings, because it pretty much looks like a sequel. And guys, that is it from me to you. And he has already he already added the bonuses right here. Also, you can access the bonuses from here. And guys, pretty much that's it from me to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for sharing my videos, for liking and for commenting. And guys, you stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.